Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Extruded Boss in SolidWorks while on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now I am going to here plain white and going to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 160 and this line dimension 240. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now I am going to extrude below. I am going to extrude below 80 and use degree and 10 degree use here. Now I am going to select draft outdoor and I want to use direction true. Now select this box and now here give the value 20 or 30, but I do not use here draft. I undo the draft. I just use the straight here. Okay. Now I am going to select OK. Now I am going to isometric view. Now you can use here fillet little bit as you wish. Fillet 5 or as you wish. I use always 5. Okay, you can give the value little bit below 1. Cannot possible everywhere the flat, so I am going to clear selection. I just use here flat 4 is here and here. Give the value 5 fillet below. You can use here fillet. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here. I can do select shell tools. Now give the select this face and below 1. Okay. Now I am going to select here shaded. Now I am going to write plane and sketch. Now here use slot, center point slot. Now give the this line dimension 35 and this arc below 10. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 50, 50. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Now now I am going to isometric view and select feature and extrude cut. I am going to here use through all both. Okay. Now I am going to here materials plastic. This material use here. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.